Facebook put up a video of Nancy Pelosi at a press conference talking about, all of us having to pay for health insurance, and she was being asked questions about, are we going to go to jail if we don't pay the fine? And she danced around that, and she said something very interesting to me. She mentioned about people going to the emergency room and not paying and passing that bill off to everyone else, and that's what this mandated health care is going to stop. Well, let me tell you something, Nancy Pelosi, because you've obviously never been bobbing around the poverty level and been in this situation. And my wife works with kids. She works at a school, and it's a private school, and she can't afford the ridiculous amount that it costs to have the health insurance through the school. And when you work with kids, you're going to get sick. And she got strep throat one year, and she had to go to the emergency room. It was very bad. And the list, what they charged her for, a pregnancy test, it was ridiculous. And the dollar signs, it was a ridiculous amount for a trip to the emergency room for strep throat just to get some medicine, basically. And, we couldn't pay it. We couldn't pay it for a while. We just could not pay it. It was too much, and didn't even want to begin to start. And what happens is the cost, it doesn't get passed on. They send it to a collection agency, and that collection agency sends it to a collection agency. Eventually it gets to an attorney, and you get sued. And if you get sued and you still can't pay, they take it out of your paycheck. That's what happens. It doesn't get passed on to Joe Blow or whoever. You pay for it. You pay for it. Eventually you pay for it. And you pay for it hard. And it just goes to show you don't know what you're talking about. Now I'm sick. And I still can't see a doctor in my country.